You are going to clear June 2025 net or JRF definitely 100%, and how you can do this we are going to talk about in this video. There is something special for you all for the next 2 months, and most importantly what you require right now is the consistency. Okay, alright, so if you are watching for the very first time, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and let's move on. And also we are going to talk about the first of all the prerequisite over here as well. Okay, and soon I will explore what is this 9 a.m. 9 p.m. unit wise PYQs, full coverage and crisp notes in this particular program. Okay, so let's start. First of all, this thing is completely about the brand new crash course that is gonna happen in the next 2 months to make sure that you clear this time without any trouble, without any hassle. No matter if the cutoff is 200, 210, whatever that cutoff is, if you follow this program completely full by full heart, then definitely you are going to clear the examination. Okay, but first of all, there is a prerequisite over here, the PR thing. The prerequisite thing is you must have those two books that have been mentioned in the previous videos. Okay, so you please join only then and then only if you are having these two books called as the A book and C book. If not, place the order today, get those books. I guarantee you, you will definitely clear the exam. You don't need to study anything apart from these provided and what I will be providing. Apart from that, you don't need to do any single, even a drop of pin, we can say. Not this minute thing also you need to do extraordinarily. This is not going to happen. Just follow A book, just C book, and what is being provided in this particular crash course for your UGC Net Psychology June 2025. If followed properly, 100% you will be clearing the cutoff, and on the day of the examination you will be knowing, not on the result, not on the answer key day, on the day of examination you will be knowing what you have done. These 2 months have done magic for you, and on the day of examination you will be so confident that okay, this time no matter what the things are with anyone else, but you are going to clear the examination. Okay, so before you join, make sure that you are having these two books, the A book and the C book. You can, if you don't order yet, the link is in the description. And next thing is that what we are going to talk about, we are going to do in this particular crash course. Okay, so if you join, you will, first of all, what will happen is you will clear this time only. Okay, you will clear in June 2025. This is the very first thing that is going to happen if you follow what has been provided for the next 2 months. Then number second thing is what is going to come for you is the consistency. In this program, everything will be on time. As you know, time is very important. So you will be getting this consistency thing with you, as well as you will be provided with the time to revise things as well. Okay, you will be given ample amount of time to revise things over here as well. Now some of you have mentioned that you would like to do mixed units and things like not a single unit in a single week. So we will tackle down this thing as well shortly. But your course commences on, it starts on 21st of April. Okay, 21st of April the course commences, and the videos will be available for you till 30th of June. Okay, so it will be a complete program. The week wise schedule will be given to all those who are in this particular program, and you will definitely clear this time in June 2025 on. So it is starting on 21st of April, and we are having approximately 10 weeks, and the complete schedule will be provided to you once you are inside the program. Okay, now what all things are being covered over here? First of all, your syllabus. Okay, so as this is a crash course, you are so intelligent that this is a crash course. So from unit number 1 to unit number 10, everything will be covered under the head or under the umbrella, which is most IMP, very IMP for your upcoming examination. Okay, this will be covered. Then you will be getting the surprise thing, and that is you will be getting the free PYQ ebook inside this thing as well. Okay, free PYQ ebook, that too unit wise. Okay, so you will have 2019 to 2024 all the questions, all the answers, everything you will be having. You just have to practice, practice and practice. Okay, these 3 P you need to follow, and you will be clearing the examination soon. Now, and don't forget those two things which are the prerequisite thing. Now next is the morning of 21st of 9 a.m. you will be provided a video explain video just you saw on the YouTube as well, the recorded format, everything will be in recorded format. 9 a.m. there will be one video in your group. Then on the same topics we will be doing what? We will be doing the PYQs the same night, not after that, because we are here 9 p.m. Okay, so 9 p.m. one more video will be available for you on the same day. So 21st of April you will be getting two videos from me, the 9 a.m. video and the 9 p.m. video. So make sure in these 12 hours you are thorough with this 9 a.m. video, and based on that you have to answer questions from the PYQs only, not apart from anywhere, not anything unnecessary, but from the PYQs we will be dealing what was told over here, what we learned over here, and are we able to imply or apply in this particular video or not. Okay, so this will go on Monday. The same next day, Tuesday, we'll follow this thing. Wednesday, same thing will be followed till Friday. Okay, so this program will run from Monday to Friday, two videos per day, and then you just need to practice on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so when we proceed to the next week, let's say after Sunday, when we will meet on Monday, or when you will watch this video on Monday, then we will start something new, and based on that we will do the questions on the same night 9 p.m. as well. Okay, so per day you will be getting two videos. It can be vary from 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay, if you watch my video of this length, this is too much, this is enough for you to clear the examination this time. 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Obviously the morning one will be long and the evening one will be little short, because you will be knowing from where the answers are coming. Okay, and make sure that while you are watching the video, make sure you are having those two books as well, because your mind will be blown, your eyes will be opened wide, that okay, these two books are how much and what not are important. You will be just giving these 2 months to the complete crash course over here and these two books, and then nobody is going to stop you. Okay, so you will be getting 9 a.m. video, then the 9 p.m. video. Then we will have the next thing is the free unit wise PYQ book. This will be provided to you as soon as you join. Okay, so this will be available for you if you join today, tomorrow, whenever you join, it will be available to you on the same day. And the third thing is we just discussed that you will be getting full coverage under the head of your syllabus. Whatever those therapies, whatever those everything is which is under your syllabus will be covered as rapid, fast, and it is a crash course. Okay, and now the fourth thing is we will talk about the crisp notes over here as well. Okay, so whatever we will learn from unit number, not unit number one, in the first week, whatever we will learn in the first week, the complete notes, the crisp notes. See, I don't want you to waste time on reading 20 pages notes. Okay, this is not the thing which we do over here. You will be provided with the 5-10 pages notes, and that will be enough for that particular week. You just need to revise, plus the two major things which are with you, those will be fetching more marks, these will be fetching amazing marks, and you will be clearing the examination soon. Okay, so these are the program details. Two videos per day, the lecture video, the PYQ video based on the morning lecture, free PYQ ebook, full coverage of your each unit. Obviously, we will not learn what is learning, but we will learn the various schedules of reinforcement, what is contiguity and what is not. We will deal with everything under this particular program. Okay, and now we will also provide the crisp notes after every week, so you can revise from these notes as well. Okay, and this program will be completely in English. Just now how you are watching this particular video, everything will be in English, so it will be more suitable for you. Okay, now those who want to clear this time, the next thing is how to join, how you can join over here. How to join? First of all, you need to know the do the needful. You have to make the payment on this particular number, as you can see right now on your screen, and it will be also provided in the description as well. Okay, once you have made the payment on this using gpay or phone pay, then the next thing which you need to do is you need to send the screenshot over where on the same number using WhatsApp. Okay, after that you will be provided with the admission form, and after filling the admission form you will be directed towards a Telegram group, and in this Telegram group you will be having what? You will be having your upcoming videos from 21st of April, the very first day. Okay, 21st of April 9 a.m. there will be a video, and the same day 9 p.m. there will be a PYQ based video, and you will be happy and you can understand each and everything pretty easily and clear the examination this time only. Don't need to drag this thing till December or next June. I have seen people doing this thing. and once they follow certain things, and it's just like a cakewalk for them, they have scored 220 to 30. So if you want to be one of them, make sure that you are following these particular things for the next 2 months consistently. Now the next question is how much you need to pay. You need to pay rupees, wait, you need to pay rupees 13,999 for this particular crash course where you will be getting these all things and you will be clearing the examination. Okay, but now this is a pre-launch and you will be able to join this at rupees 999 only and only before 21st of April. Okay, so if you join before 21st of April, you just need to pay rupees 9999. Videos will be valid till 30th of June. PYQ unit wise ebook will be provided to you as soon as you join, and videos will start rolling on from 21st of April. Okay, so if you join after 21st of April, I'm so sorry, but you have to pay this particular amount of 13999. Okay, so make sure that you don't miss this thing if you want to clear this time only, or else you can join later also and pay this much amount as well. Okay, and those who don't want to miss this thing, who don't want to miss this chance, this attempt, maybe your first, second, third, I don't know, but this will be your last attempt if you follow this thing very religiously. Okay, so make sure that you do the payment for 999 only before 21st of April. So after 21st of April, if you are watching this particular video, make sure that you do the payment for this thing, and most welcome. In that session also you will be clearing the examination, don't worry. Okay, all right, so this was the complete details. So if any doubt, you can just comment down below, but the process of joining is like this. The number is flashing on over here, you can check the description as well. Send the screenshot, fill the admission form, and start watching your videos from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I mean 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Okay, all right, thank you very much, have a nice day ahead, take care, see you all soon, and see you with the certificate.